Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off everything and unplug the charger to avoid sparks. Use a magnifier to inspect the pin. Look for bends, corrosion, or a cracked tip. These tell you whether to clean, realign, or replace. Make sure you have small pliers, a needle file, a multimeter, and heat shrink tubing on hand. Once done, test continuity with the multimeter to locate breaks. This quick check saves time and shows if the fault is inside the cable or at the connector. You now do the detailed work. If the pin is bent, straighten it carefully with pliers and remove any burrs with a needle file so the tip seats properly in the port. If you see corrosion, clean with isopropyl alcohol and a brush. Dry completely so no residue causes shorts. For an internal break, cut past the damaged section, strip about 1/4 of an inch, tin and resolder each conductor, and slide heat shrink over the joint. This restores strength and insulation. You finish by reassembling the connector housing so the pin sits straight and the cable exits without sharp bends. Proper alignment prevents repeat failure. Test continuity again, then plug in and verify the correct voltage at the tip. Watch for warmth. Excess heat signals a bad joint. Make sure the connection is stable under slight movement. If the charge is intermittent, wiggle test while monitoring. If problems persist, replace the tip or the entire cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.